Hi, it's Sue here from the Unicorn Advisory, your trusted Kajabi expert with a Kajabi quick tip for you. Now, this one is super quick today. I am talking about the icons for your social media that Kajabi adds to your courses and to your pages. Now, you may be a pro with this. You might have been using Kajabi for a while, but you would be absolutely stunned how many courses that I go into, even sometimes for people who I would think would be all over this, and they have forgotten to update the icons within their product area. And it will still say the copyright Kajabi. And when you click onto these icons, they're actually going to go through to Kajabi's social media and not your own. So I just thought I would do a little reminder, and I'm going to show you how to actually update it in case you don't know. But it's a reminder to update your copyright to your own business and to update these social icons to go to your social media, not to Kajabi's social media, as I'm sure you would love the traffic. Plus, one other little tip to make sure that you open in a new window so someone doesn't go away from your website or from your course and suddenly they are sucked into the world of Facebook, TikTok, whatever it is that you have sent them to. You want that to open in a new tab so that your course or website stays open. Now, to customize, we're going to go into our courses. This is the most common place that I see this happening. On pages, not so much, but courses, definitely. So once you're in your outline, I'm just going to show you how you get in here. So you've got your actual course content. Then if you click onto customize, that's how you can adjust the settings and the view of what your actual course will look like to students. So come into customize. And then you want to find, you can either go straight to the footer, or you might notice anywhere that you hover around in Kajabi, a little blue box will appear on that. And if you click on that blue box, it'll take you to the place that you need to go to edit that. So if you want to show the copyright, change it to your business name. Don't leave it as Kajabi. It's not Kajabi's copyright. This is your course. So remember to update that, but also with your actual social icons. So you can choose to show them or not. So you could just take them off. But if you do show them, click on open links in a new window. I'm not sure why it is set to default not to do that, but I always make sure to open links in a new window and then actually go and update these and send them to your own Facebook page, to your own Twitter account, to your own Instagram, or whatever it is. And it's really easy. If you don't have Twitter, just delete it and the Twitter icon will go away. If you have YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, any of these other ones, you can go through and actually add those in as well, which is very, very helpful, because then as soon as you start typing something in here, so you'll see this is going to pop up with YouTube. So you'd have to check them. So I would recommend to go and check them to make sure that you've got the right link, or actually go into your social accounts and cut and paste that through. Remember to update them so that they open in a new window and that they go to your accounts, not to Kajabi's accounts. That is your quick tip for today. Very simple, but so easily overlooked, and I don't want you to do that. Now, if you would like more Kajabi help, I would love to help you. Please do subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Or you can get on the quick tips list. Every weekday I send out a Kajabi quick tip via email, so you will be the first to hear about all the new quick tips. Plus, it's a way to build up your Kajabi knowledge one little tip at a time. So imagine the course of a year how much of an expert Kajabi user you will be. To get on that list, theunicornadvisory.com/quick tips to get a daily dose of Kajabi inspo in your inbox. Sue from the Unicorn Advisory. See you next time.